Hi friends, welcome to Book a Day for Little Learners. Today we're going to read When Your Elephant Has the Sniffles by Susanna Leonard Hill, illustrated by Daniel Wiseman. Do you know what it means when you have the sniffles? It means you don't really feel very well. Sometimes you get to stay in bed or maybe snuggle. Sniff, sniff, sniffle. Uh-oh, does your elephant have the sniffles? Uh-oh. When your elephant has the sniffles, you must take good care of him. Elephant sniffles can be quite serious, and you don't want your elephant to start sneezing. Put him to bed, even if he tells you he's just fine. If there's anything in the room that might make him sneeze, hide it. For sure, dust can make you sneeze. Cats, flowers, the pollen from the flowers. I'm allergic to cats. They really make me sneeze. Then prop him up with lots of pillows and cover him with plenty of blankets. Sometimes when you have the sniffles, you don't feel cold, so you might not need the blankets. Bring him his favorite stuffed animal to snuggle with. At first, your elephant might not mind being tucked into bed. Look at, he needs a trash can for all of his tissues, doesn't he? He might want another pillow. He might ask for his trucks. Then he might want you to bring him an ice pop. That makes your throat feel better if you have a sore throat. But after a while, he will get bored. So you will have to think of fun things to do. Look, they have games and building blocks and dolls and games on the TV and books and music. They're playing cards right there. After all those fun things, you can make shadow puppets. Usually you make shadow puppets with your hands, and there's like a light source, like a flashlight over here, and it goes onto the wall, so it looks like she's making a bird. Remember, rest is very important, and you do not want your elephant to start sneezing. By now, your elephant will be thirsty. Bring him lots of liquids because those are important for fighting sniffles. And you do not, under any circumstances, want your elephant to start sneezing. After the drinks, your elephant will probably announce that he's had quite enough and he's getting up. Distract him by dressing up and singing a song, but be careful what props you use. This one has feathers that might make him sneeze, because after all your hard work, his nose might begin to itch and twitch and what do you think he's going to do? Choo! Oh dear, when your elephant has the sniffles, you just might end up with them too. When you feel like you're going to sneeze, remember, put your nose into your elbow and sneeze into your elbow. If you sneeze into your hands, always wash your hands, because you want to keep your germs to yourself so other people don't get sick. Friends, this story was about an elephant and a little girl. The little girl's name we never found out, but a little girl and an elephant who the little girl very kindly took care of the elephant because he wasn't feeling well. He had the sniffles. I hope you have a person in your life that loves you as much as this elephant does. They take care of you when you don't feel well. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. My subscribers, thank you for coming back for another story, and I will see you tomorrow for a new story.